I really worked hard to meet up to the threshold to get monetized, which is the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours as of 2023 when I got monetized. Then there was no other criteria to get monetized, unlike now that you have 500 subscribers or you have 3,000 watch hours or the million short views. Back then, it was never in existence. It was strictly 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I struggled to get it. I didn't even know that it's not about getting it to get monetized. It's about getting your paycheck every month to get paid. My sister, my brother, after monetization, that is where the work starts, like the real work starts. I'm not saying you should start bombarding posts. No, it's not about bombarding posts. It's about being lucky to post something that people will find interest in and click and watch for a long time, like for a very long time, depending on the duration of your video. Do you understand? Ah, goodness, it's a struggle to get your paycheck every month. You need to meet up to a minimum $100. Sorry, you need to meet up to a minimum threshold of $100 to get paid every month. Any month you didn't meet it up, don't expect paycheck from YouTube. All those accumulated revenue you generate from your videos will be there until you meet up to that threshold. $100 for YouTube will pay you. They'll pay you they'll pay you yours and they'll take their own percentage. Do you understand? So let me tell you something. Once you get monetized, it's not about bombarding posts. No, bombarding posts do not get you the views you want. Just calm down and work on your video. Don't just upload anyhow video. Make a video that will make sense in your niche and pray that the right people will click and watch it, because it's about the views. It's the views and the adverts being placed on your video that pays you. It is not your subscribers. So once you hustle to get subscribers, please calm down. Make sure you start hustling for the views. It's the views you need to get your paycheck. Oh, subscribers does not pay you. You only need that subscribers and watch hours to get monetized. And afterwards, please hustle. Struggle for the viewers, not for the subscribers. Of course, subscribers are important, but let me tell you, for me, if you ask me, if not for play buttons, I wouldn't even bother about subscribers. I'll only make sure to get monetized first and then be working on those subscribers to make sure they watch my videos. Because no matter what, all your subscribers will not watch your videos. A few will watch. These few, you call them your heart fans, your die-hard fans. Whatever you post, they'll watch, they'll comment, they'll share, they'll like. Do you understand? And then other people will be seeing your videos from the YouTube home feed and the search button, and then whatever means. Do you understand? So pray that whatever you post will get to the right audience. Do not bombard posts. That is not consistency. Consistency is you showing up to do the same thing. Even if it's once in a week or once in 2 weeks or 3 times or twice in a week or month, make sure you are coming back for the same kind of thing you're doing. Do you understand? If you want to start with 2 niches or 1 niches, no problem, go ahead. Don't mix up niches. Don't confuse your audience. Do you understand my point? So just know that this paycheck is from your viewers, from views and adverts being placed on your video, not subscribers. So if you're starting up a YouTube channel, do not be in a hurry to get monetized. Grow your channel organically. Do not make mistake to grow your channel inorganically. That will cause you a problem in the future. Just maintain the way you're growing your channel with your niche. Don't be in a hurry. Calm down. Do the normal upload and pray that God will direct, that God's light will shine on your channel. Do you understand my point? I know what I'm facing. I know what I'm passing through right now. I know the things I've been going through because of this paycheck. It is really frustrating. I won't even lie. Some people are really lucky getting paychecks every month, but some people are struggling to get that paychecks. So do not admire my subscribers. Just focus on what you're doing. Be on your channel. Focus on your channel. Focus on that niche. Build your audience. You need them to watch your videos for you to be able to get the paycheck. I've seen 1,000 subscribers channels, even less than that earn every month, even thousands of dollars. Talk more of. Do you understand? And I've seen thousands of subscribers, even millions of subscribers, like they hardly see paycheck monthly. You think it's a joke? Make your research. Don't be one of them. Don't be like us that we are focusing on building subscribers and not viewers. So focus on that valuable niche, and don't forget what I said. Pray that God will send the right people to your channel to watch you and you get the views, and let them also click and watch for a very long time, not clicking in and clicking out, please. Anyways, with that being said, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you find it useful. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and I'll see you next time.